Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lakishore YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn the top 10 big data technologies to learn in 2018. Big data technologies help organizations in analyzing vast data set with the help of commodity computers running in parallel. Hadoop Big Data Platform is most used system for handling and analyzing vast data sets. There are open source and commercial distribution of Hadoop ecosystems to make things much easier for professionals. Availability of big data system on the cloud further simplified and fueled the growth of big data. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft provide easy to use cloud-based big data system which can be provisioned quickly. Cloud-based big data systems comes with auto provisioning, scaling, and monitoring modules which helps the architects to quickly deploy big data solutions for businesses. So for the year 2008, Hadoop-based big data system including HDFS, Spark, Scala, or etc. are important to learn. So here is the list of big data technologies to learn in 2008 and beyond. The first one is Apache Hadoop. Apache Hadoop is distributed file system and distributed processing framework for big data environment. Hadoop is the most popular big data platform which is used worldwide for handling petabytes of data in business environment. Apache Hadoop is highly scalable and its power can be increased by installing new hardware and configuring it is as a new node into the system. Data node is designed to both data storage and processing. Job submitted to Hadoop cluster is distributed among the nodes in the cluster and final output is collected from these processing nodes. Hadoop is using Hadoop distributed file system to store data on the distributed nodes. It maintains three replicas of data on the distributed data nodes, which makes it fault tolerant system. The next one is HDFS. HDFS stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. It is the Java-based distributed file system in Hadoop environment used to store data in fault-tolerant way. Developers should learn to manage Hadoop environment and perform administration activities for optimal performance. In Hadoop ecosystem, HDFS and Yarn makes the data layer of the system. Yarn is responsible for resource management and HDFS is responsible for storing the data in system. The third one is NoSQL. NoSQL database is non-relational database and it's designed to store non-structured data in it. In big data environment, we have stored both structured and non-structured data which may vary in content types. In such cases, NoSQL databases are very useful. There are many NoSQL database and developers should learn few of them. Here is the list of popular NoSQL databases. They are MongoDB, Apache CouchDB, HBase, Oracle NoSQL, Apache Cassandra DB. The fourth one is Hive. Hive is also very important technology to learn in big data industry. Hive is a software project from Apache which runs on the Hadoop cluster and uses HDFS for storing the data. It is data warehouse solution for big data to store data and access data using SQL like query. It provides console, JDBC API, thrift access to save, update, and search data stored in Hive tables. You can use SQL like queries to perform CRUD operations. Hive is internally uses HDFS for storing the data and appropriate for application where there is less requirement of updates. It should not be used in transaction processing applications. The next one is Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a framework for parallel in memory processing of data over the distributed clusters. Apache Spark engine can be installed on the commodity servers and use all these together for machine learning, deep learning, parallel processing tasks to achieve fast processing of data in big data environment. Apache Spark is also excellent machine learning library which can be used for various machine learning and deep learning tasks. It also provides support for distributed execution of OR-based program over Spark cluster. It is used for real-time and batch processing activities. The next one is Scala. Scala is object-oriented and functional programming language which is compiled into Java bytecode. Scala program can use all the existing Java libraries and code developed in Scala is finally compiled to Java bytecode, which runs on the JVM. Scala is used to quickly develop mission various applications quickly, which means which runs on the Spark cluster. It is easy to learn Scala and less coding is done for any task as compared to Java. The next one is Sqoop. Apache Sqoop is a tool for importing and exporting data between Hadoop, HDFS, and relational databases. Sqoop can be used for bulk transfer of data between Hadoop and relational databases. Sqoop script can also be configured for incremental transfer of data. It is another most used tool for transferring data in big data environment and external RDBMS. Developers should learn the Sqoop scripts and practice with large amount of data. The eighth one is Java. Big data application developer must learn Java programming language as there are many low-level tasks which cannot be done in pig script. In such cases, Java programming is useful. Apart from this, Java is required to develop GUI and many other applications for big data. So there is huge demand of big data developers with the Java and enterprise Java application experience. The next one is ninth one, Python. Python is another demand programming language for developing machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence applications. There are many machine learning APIs available in Python which can be used in big data analysis. Google TensorFlow application is also developed in the Python programming language. The final one and tenth one is Kafka. Apache Kafka is a software which is used as messaging and stream processing system in big data environment. Kafka cluster is used for ingesting, storing, and processing of high volume of data in IoT environment. It can handle millions of events per second in properly configured system. Apache Spark can be used to process the streaming data from Kafka streams and used to develop high performance end-to-end streaming applications. Developers should learn to install, configure, and use Kafka for processing messages from Kafka cluster. Spark Freum or custom consumers can be used to process Kafka data. So that's all about some of the top 10 big data technologies you must learn in 2008. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our videos and share to your friends. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.